Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create a Zenith Bank account even without going to the bank. I'm going to be showing you guys how you can open a Zenith account online using your mobile phone. So guys, it's very easy to do. If you want to know how to do it, just make sure you follow me to the end of this video. And if this video is helpful to you, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment, as that will help grow this channel. So guys, let's get started. So guys, opening a Zenith Bank account online is seamless. It just involves few steps. So guys, now the first step you need to take now is to download and install the Zenith Bank Mobile App into your phone. That's what you're going to be using to actually open an account with Zenith Bank. So guys, now to download and install the Zenith Bank Mobile App into your phone, what you have to do is to go over to your Play Store if you're using an Android device. But if you're using an iPhone or an iOS device, what you have to do is to go over to your App Store. So guys, in case you don't know how to do this, I've already made a video on how you can actually download and install the Zenith Bank Mobile App into your phone. What you have to do is that after you're done watching this video, just go over to the description of this video. You're going to see a link there. Tap on the link there. You'll be able to learn and watch how you can actually download and install the Zenith Bank Mobile App into your phone. So guys, once you've gotten the Zenith Bank Mobile App into your phone, what you have to do is to tap on it to open it. So guys, let me tap on the Zenith Bank Mobile App now to open it. Let me tap on it real quick. So guys, now you can see the Zenith Bank Mobile App is opening. So guys, this is the interface you're going to see if you're using this app for the first time. Once you download and install the app, this is the first interface you're going to see. So guys, now you can see here you can actually log in or register on this app. So guys, now this video tutorial is about how to open or create a Zenith Bank account using the Zenith Bank mobile banking app. So guys, now for you to do that, what you have to do right away now is to tap on where you can see open account. You can see it down there. Let me zoom in a little bit so guys can see it. The arrow is pointing at it, so let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see what is written here. Open account. Welcome to Zenith Bank. Join the Zenith family. So guys, now this is the first step, and here you need to enter your phone number and your email. You can see what is written there. 1 of 3, which means this is the first step out of the 3 steps you need to take. Enter your phone number. Let's get started with your phone number. So guys, let me input my phone number and my email right away. So guys, let me do that right away. So guys, now you can see I've inputted my phone number and my email address. So guys, now let's go over to the next step. You can see these 2 boxes right here. The first box says I have BVN or NIN, while the second box says I have a BVN and NIN. So guys, what you have to do is that if you have both your BVN, which is your bank verification number, and your NIN, what you have to do is to tap on the second box, tick it. But if you have either BVN or your NIN, what you have to do is to tap on the first box, tick the first box. So if you have your BVN and you don't have your NIN, tick the first box. Or if you have your NIN and you don't have your BVN, tick the first box. So guys, now let me tick the second box since I have both my BVN and my NIN. So guys, after you've done that, what you have to do now is to tap on where it is written get started. You can see down there the arrow is pointing at it, so let me tap on it. So guys, now this is the second step. You can see what is written here. Provide BVN details. Let's get started with your BVN and NIN. Dial *565*0# to check your bank verification number, which is your BVN. So guys, now what you have to do is to input your BVN, input your date of birth, and input your NIN number. Your NIN number is your national identity number. Your BVN is your bank verification number. Then you know your date of birth. So guys, let me do that right away. So guys, now you can see I've inputted my bank verification number, which is my BVN. I've also inputted my date of birth and my NIN number. You can see it down there. So guys, now after you're done inputting all of these details, what you have to do now is to tap on where it is written validate down there. The arrow is pointing at it, so let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see the next step. Let's get you started. What kind of account do you want to create now? You can see the first option, child account. The second option is personal account. So guys, what you have to do now is to tap on the second option, which is personal account. But in case you have a child and you want to create an account for the child, what you have to do is to tap on where it is written child account, which is the first option. But guys, let me tap on the second option, which is personal account. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it, so let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see this is the next step. Welcome on board. Now tell us what you do for a living. So guys, now what you have to do now is to select the category, and for you to do that, you have to tap on where it is written select category. So guys, let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see the options that we have: private sector, public sector, self-employed, student, retired. So guys, now let me tap on the third option, which is self-employed. What you have to do is to choose whichever one that you fall into. So guys, let me tap on self-employed. So guys, now you can see I've selected self-employed. So what I have to do now is to tap on next. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see the next step. Welcome on board. What class of account do you want to create now? So guys, now you can see we have 2 options here. The first one is savings account. The second one is current account. So guys, now whichever one that you want to create, just tap on it. So guys, now let me tap on the first option, which is savings account. I want to create a savings account, so let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see the next step, provide us some details. Nice. Now you tell us a few things about you. So guys, now what you have to do now is to choose your gender and your marital status. So if you're a girl, what you have to do is to impute female, and if you're a boy, what you have to do is to impute male. So guys, now you can see male has already been added there, and also marital status. If you're single, you impute single, and if you're married, you impute married, and the rest of it. So guys, let me show you guys how you can actually impute it. For you to impute your gender, what you have to do now is to tap on where it is written male. So guys, let me tap on it already. So guys, now from here you can actually edit it, and also marital status, what you have to do is to tap on it. Let me tap on single, and also you can actually change it. So guys, now these options are correct for me. My gender is male and my marital status is single. So guys, now let me tap on next. Let me tap on next already. So guys, now you can see here's the next step, provide us some details. Well done. Now tell us more about you. So guys, now you can see what you're required to provide. Your preferred title, which can be Mr., Mrs. or Miss or Master, whichever one. Then your mobile number and your email address again. So guys, now let me go ahead now to input all of this information. So guys, now you can see I've inputted all the details, my preferred title, my phone number and my email address. So guys, what I have to do now is to tap on next. So let me tap on next right away. So guys, now you can see the next step. Well done. Now tell us what you do for a living. So guys, what you have to do now is to fill all of this: your occupation, your state of origin, your state of residence, and your residence address. So guys, let me go ahead now to input this right away. Let me input my occupation, my state of origin, and state of residence. Let me go over to occupation. You can see the list that we have right here. So guys, now you can see the options that we have here. You can see accountant, architect, banker, farmer, and the rest of it. So guys, what you have to do now is to choose the one that best suits you. Choose your occupation. So let me just choose one of it. Let me just choose one randomly. Let me go for student. So guys, now you can see I've imputed my occupation. So let me go over to the next one, which is state of origin. So guys, to impute it, what you have to do now is to tap on the box. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see the list of states. You can see it. So let me impute it, Imo State. So guys, let me go back to the next one, which is state of residence, and let me tap on it. Now you can see the list of states again. So let me impute it. Let me type it, Rivers State. So guys, now let's go over to the next one now, which is residential address. What you have to do now is to impute the address where you're living right now. So guys, now you can see mine has already been imputed. So guys, now what you have to do next now is actually to agree to the terms and conditions of Zenith Bank PLC. You can see those two boxes right there. The arrows are pointing at it. You have to tick those boxes. You have to mark those boxes in order to accept the terms and conditions. So guys, let me do that right away. Let me tap on it. Then let me tap on the second one. So guys, now you can see I've ticked it. So the next step you have to take now is to tap on create. You can see down there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. Wow guys, can now see you have successfully created a Zenith Bank account. You can see what is written there. You are all set. Thank you for opening a Zenith Bank account. Your account number is that. Kindly complete the next steps to enjoy the full benefits of your account. So guys, now to copy this bank account, what you have to do now is to tap on where it is written, copy to clipboard. So guys can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me copy it, and also you can make a screenshot to save it. So guys, let me make a screenshot right away. So guys, now I've made the screenshot. So guys, now the next step now is to scroll downward. You can see what's written there. Notice you can upload required documents by just clicking continue. So guys, now what you have to do now is to tap on continue. Let me tap on continue so I can see the documents they required of us to submit. So guys, let me tap on continue right away. So guys, now you can see what is written here. Notice only JPG, PNG and JPEG formats are allowed. So guys, now the documents that you want to upload, you must upload it in the listed format listed above. So guys, now let me continue. Well done. Now just upload any or all of these documents if available. So guys, now let's look at the document you are required to upload. So guys, now you can see the first document, your ID card, which may be your NIN ID card or your international passport, whichever one. The second one is your passport photo, which is your passport photograph. The next one is your utility bill, which can be your electric bill or your water bill or your sewage bill, whichever one. Then the last one is your signature. So guys, now for you to get this, what you have to do now is to take a picture of your ID card. Then also for the passport, you take a picture of yourself using the passport size. And for your utility bill, just take your phone camera, snap your utility bill, which can be your electric bill or your water bill or your water supply bill, whichever one that you have. Just take a picture of it using your phone's camera. Then your signature, what you have to do now is to sign a signature on paper. Then you snap the signature with your phone's camera. So guys, now to upload my ID card, what I have to do now is to tap on where it is written ID type. So let me tap on it. Let me choose my ID type. So guys can see here we have 4 options: your international passport, driver's license, voter's ID and national ID card. So guys, let me use the last option, which is national ID card, because I have that. So let me tap on it. So guys, now the next step I have to take now is to tap on where it is written choose file. You can see there below the national ID card, the ID card section, the arrow is pointing at it. So I have to choose my file from my phone's gallery so I can upload it. So let me tap on choose file. So guys, now you can see it has directed me to my phone's gallery. So what I have to do now is to select the image of my national ID card. So let me find it right away. So guys, now I've seen my national ID card there, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it to select it. So guys, what you have to do now is to upload all of the documents that you're required to upload right here. But in case you don't have any of them right now, you don't need to bother about that. You can do that later on. You can come back to the app to upload it, or you can go over to any physical Zenith Bank that is within your area, near your area where you live. You can go there to submit this document in case you don't want to submit it here on this app online. So you can go over there and submit it. So guys, that notwithstanding, you have already uploaded your BVN, your bank verification number, your NIN number, your NIN, and the rest of it. So they already have your information, and you've created your bank account already. Remember, we've already copied our bank account. You saw the bank account, I screenshotted it. Now anyone can actually transfer money to that bank account and it will be safe right there. So guys, I'm not going to be uploading all of these documents right here. I don't have the utility bill in particular, which is my electricity bill. I don't have that right now. But guys, make sure you have all of these documents available before you can start the process of actually creating your Zenith Bank account. Make sure you have it so you can be able to upload it as at when due. So guys, now we've created our Zenith Bank account and we already have our account number. So guys, I can't continue with this process because I don't have the document which is required, which is my utility bill. So guys, now let's go back now. Let me go back. So guys, what you have to do henceforth now is actually to get your ATM card. So you can go to any physical Zenith Bank to get your ATM card so you can register on this app. For you to register on this app, what you have to do now is to go back. You can see where it is written register. Let me tap on it. So guys, you can see here there are actually 3 steps. You have to follow the steps. You have to first of all provide your account number, of which you've gotten your account number already. You can go ahead now to register and activate this mobile app and start using this mobile app to carry out your daily bank transactions. So guys, now I've been able now to show you guys how you can actually create your bank account using the Zenith Bank mobile app. So guys, this is how you can do it, and I believe you got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release new videos like this one, you're gonna get notified. See you in the next upload. Bye bye. Peace.